This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set the Firefox browser to clear cookies and site data every time you close the browser. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To set your browser to clear out the cookies and site data each time you close it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Cookies and Site Data area. From here, as you can see, mine says that my cache is currently storing 1.1 gigabytes of disk space. I haven't cleared it for a while. You could clear data by clicking here. You can manage your data by clicking here. Right down here, delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. If you check this box, each time you close Firefox, the cookies and site data will be cleared. If you have it unchecked, you could use these buttons over here to manually clear your site data. That is how to set your browser to clear cookies and site data each time it closed in Firefox. Thanks for watching.